So there are 5 methods for calculating goodwill. Number 1 method is average profit method. First write the steps of all the methods. So the first, like if we are calculating goodwill from average profit method, then the step 1 is we have to calculate average profit first. So the first step is average profit equal to total profit by number of years. Second step is goodwill. So these two steps are needed for calculating average profit method. Now number 2 method is super profit method. Step 1 is average profit. The formula is same as before, so I am not writing the formula again. Now Roman 2, capital employed equal to assets minus liabilities. Roman 3, normal profit. For normal profit, the formula is capital employed into normal rate of return. Roman 4 is super profit. Average profit minus normal profit. Now Roman 5 is goodwill. Super profit into number of years purchase. Now method 3, capitalization of super profit method. For this, step 1 is average profit. Step 2 is capital employed. Step 3 is normal profit. Step 4 is super profit. Roman 5 is goodwill equal to super profit by normal rate of return into 100. Now next method is number 4. Number 4 is capitalization of average profit method. Roman 1 is average profit. Roman 2 is capital employed. Roman 3 is capitalized value of the firm equal to average profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. Number 4 is goodwill. Capitalized value of the firm minus capital employed. Number 5 method is weighted average profit method. Roman 1 is weighted average profit equal to total weighted average profit divided by total weights. Roman 2 goodwill equal to so how to find goodwill? It will be weighted average profit into number of years purchase. So till here we have total 5 formula. Okay, so the sum is Hari and Kishan were partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. There are two partners, Hari and Kishan. They are sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They admitted Shyam as a partner for 1/5 share in the profit. For this purpose, the goodwill of the firm is to be valued on the basis of 3 years purchase of last 5 years average profit. So we got the name of the method. It is average profit method. The profit of the last 5 years are 13 14 ka 50,000, 40,000, 75,000, 25,000. Negative is loss and 50,000. Calculate goodwill of the firm after adjusting the following. See, whenever you will get these adjustments below, you have to find the correct profit. Like if there is any adjustment is there, it means the above mentioned profit has some mistake. So you have to rectify those mistakes after reading the adjustment portion. So first we have to calculate the correct profit of the firm. Now, what is the mistake? The profit of 1415 was calculated after charging 10,000 for abnormal loss of goods by fire. Now, what is abnormal loss? See, you make a PL, trading PL balance sheet in a business. Now, you have two types of loss is there, normal loss and abnormal loss. What is normal loss? Which always incurred in the business, like you have sold the profit, you have sold the goods less than cost price, you will face a loss, but this is a normal loss. But what is abnormal loss? Your business is, you have a cloth business, okay? Now you are always purchasing and selling the cloths only, not any other things, because you have cloth business. Now you want to sell your AC because it is in disturbing condition, so you want to sell your air conditioner, okay? Now AC, air conditioner selling is not your business. Your business is cloth selling. But now you are selling your air conditioner because you want to buy a new one, because the old one is in disturbing condition. So you have sold that AC in a loss. So that loss is abnormal loss because it is not related from your business. So whenever there is a loss which is not related to your business, this loss happened uh, like like from any other sources. Like here, your goods destroyed by fire. This is not a obvious loss for your business. It happened one fine morning. So this loss is called abnormal loss. Have you got this my point? Okay,
Yes.
so this loss cannot be considered in the PL account. Abnormal loss cannot be considered, cannot be recognized in the PL. So you have, like, if any loss has been recorded in the PL, your profit will be decreased. Any loss, if you will record in the PL, your profit will be decreased. Now you want to remove that abnormal loss. Then what happened? Your profit will increase. If you will remove this abnormal loss from your PL, your profit will increase. So you will add 10,000 in 1415 profit 40,000. So we will do now this making a table. Okay, so write calculation of correct profit. So first we have to find the correct profit of the business. Particulars and 4 years, 5 years, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18. Now, first we have to write the profit given. So, profit given 50,000, 40,000, 75,000, 25,000 negative, and 50,000. Now, you have to remove that abnormal loss from your PL. How will you remove that? By adding. If you will add that abnormal loss, your profit will increase. So, add abnormal loss. And it is from the year 1415. So, 10,000 here. Now, 50,000, 50,000, 75,000, negative 25,000, and 50,000. So this is your correct profit. Now you have profit of 5 years. We will find average profit. 50,000 plus 50,000 plus 75,000 minus 25,000 plus 50,000 divided by 5. How much we will get after adding and subtracting all those things? We will get 2 lakh.
2 lakh.
Divided by 5. So we will get 40,000 rupees. Fine. Now we
Yes,
have to find goodwill. Goodwill is average profit into number of years purchase. So average profit is 40,000 and see number of years purchase. Number of years purchase is given in the sum. Here 3 years
Yes, ma'am.
purchase. Okay, so we will multiply it from 3. It will be 1,20,000 rupees. So first we have to make the format. Write illustration 3. Calculation of correct profit. 2018, 2019, 2020. First copy all the correct profit, like the profit given. First we have to copy profit given. Here 1 lakh, here 1,10,000, and here 85,000. Now in the sum we can see that there is an abnormal gain. So abnormal loss has to be removed. In the same way, abnormal gain has to be removed. We cannot include abnormal items in the PL. We always include normal items. So if we will record an abnormal gain, our profit will increase or decrease.
Decrease.
If we will record an abnormal gain means profit. So if we will,
Yes, ma'am.
the profit will increase, but it is wrong. So what we will do? We have to decrease our profit.
Yes.
So we will less the abnormal gain. So write less abnormal gain. Less abnormal gain. From the year 2018, we will deduct 10,000. Now, in 2018, there is an abnormal loss. So what we will do? 20,000. What we will do? Add or less?
Ma'am, we will add 20,000.
Add 20,000. Correct. So write add abnormal loss. Add abnormal loss from the year 2019. And 85,000 including non-business income. We can only write business income in the PL. It is non-business income. So what we will do by this 5,000? Add or less?
We will.
If we will record non-business income, our profit will increase or decrease? What?
It will increase. So we will subtract.
We will subtract. Correct. So less non-business income. Less non-business income. From 2020, deduct 5,000. Now this is the method, average profit method only. So Find the correct profit. It will be 90,000. It will be 1,30,000, and it will be 80,000. So we have to find average profit. So what we will get after adding all these three correct profit?
3 lakh.
3 lakh. 3 lakh divided by 3. So we will
Yes.
get 1 lakh. Now, what is the number of years purchase? What is
2 years.
2 years purchase? Correct. So we will multiply 1 lakh into 2. That is 2 lakh rupees. Illustration 4 is Simran purchased Anita's business on 1st April 2020. It was agreed to value goodwill at 3 years purchase of average normal profit. So it is also average profit method, and number of years purchase is 3. The profit of Anita's business of last 4 years. 4 years profit has been given. 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, following further facts are noticed from the books of accounts that these are the adjustment. Now, first we have to calculate correct profit. So give the heading calculation of correct profit. Now make the particulars and 4 years column 2017, 18, 19 and 20. After making the format, write write profit within bracket given, and given profit, write the given profit, that is 90,000, 1,60,000, 1,80,000 and 2,20,000. So we will write profit within bracket given. Done with this?
Yes.
Okay. So now see the adjustment. During the year 2017, as an asset was sold at a gain, within bracket profit, gain means profit, 10,000. See, whenever you sell an asset, that profit has not been included in the PL. Before I have given the example of air conditioner. Air conditioner is our asset, and if we will sell that asset, we will not include those gain and profit in the PL. So asset, if you have sold an asset and you have made a gain, it is abnormal gain. Okay, so abnormal gain, what will you do?
We'll subtract it.
Subtract it. So less abnormal gain from 2017, 10,000. Less abnormal gain from 2017, less 10,000. Now, during the year 2018, a machine got destroyed in accident. A machine got destroyed in accident and 30,000 was written off as PL. So what is this?
There is a abnormal loss.
Abnormal loss. So what we will do?
So add it.
Add it. Add abnormal loss. Add abnormal loss in the year 2018 by 30,000. Now, number 3, during the year 2019, firm's assets were not insured due to oversight. We haven't noticed one asset has not been insured. So now we are doing that insurance premium being 10,000. It is a regular expense incurred every year. So insurance premium should be deducted. So less insurance premium from 2019. Because it is a regular expense, should be appear in PL. That's why less insurance premium from 2019, 10,000. Now find the correct profit. I want to I want to tell you one more thing. If you have started paying insurance premium, you have to pay it every year. Read it, incurred every year. So if you have started paying insurance premium from 2019, you should have paid this insurance premium in 2020 also. So deduct 10,000 from 2019 as well as from 2020.
Okay.
So 2020 profit will be 2000, 2 lakh, 2 lakh 10,000.
10,000.
Now find average profit by adding all the correct profit divided by 4. So if you have purchased a cycle, you should record it in the balance sheet. But wrongly, you have debited it in the PL by writing traveling expense. So your profit has been, what will happen? Your profit will be decreased or increased?
Reduced.
Reduced. So for the rectification, what you will do?
Add it back.
You will add it. So add traveling expense. Add traveling expense. From the year, tell me the year.
2019.
No, it has been started in the 1st April 2019, but it will be
From 2020.
31st March 2020. So you have to focus on the dates. If you will write it in 2019 column, whole sum will be wrong. Okay, so 1st April 2019, it will be ended at 31st March 2020. So, and one more thing, if you have not written it in the balance sheet, you are not assuming it as an asset, but every asset should have some depreciation. So you have wrongly debited it in PL, so definitely you forgot to give the depreciation also. Now you know this is an asset, so you have to give the depreciation. Depreciation will reduce your profit or increase your profit.
Reduce.
So less depreciation on cycle. Less depreciation on cycle. 25% of 20,000. That is 20,000 into 25%. This is 5,000.
5,000.
So subtract 5,000 from 31st March 2020. Now find there is only this much of mistakes, this much of adjustment. So now you have to find the correct profit. So 2016 is 30,000 only, and 2017 is 70,000. 2018 is 1 lakh. 2019 is 1,40,000. 2,20,000 is minus 1,25,000.
5,000.
1,05,000. So how much is the total?
Lakh 35,000.
2,35,000. Average profit is 2,35,000. Total profit is, so average profit equal to 2,35,000 divided by
5.
5. So how much we will get?
47,000.
Correct. So what will be our goodwill?
From 1,80,000.
1,88,000.